Yeah, as you mentioned already, my name is Nazim.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm having almost 17 plus years of experience in IT. My core areas are development and testing. Along with that, I have cloud technologies also, AWS. But currently, the situation is like that in my current organization, they are asking me to do certification
Mm-hmm.
on Azure AI fundamentals,
Mm-hmm.
artificial intelligence fundamentals. That is 900 certification,
Mm-hmm.
and that has to be done within 10 days. 10 to, I mean, it is 10 days is more actually, 7 days they told to me. So that is the critical part I have for me now. So I want training as well as I need to attend for exam. So these are the two things basically I'm looking for, and I do have some other certifications also that I supposed to do once this is done. But this is a priority one, and after 10 days after finishing this one, I need to take associate also, AWS associate.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
those are the two things.
Okay. Yes, Najim. Related to the AI, so you wanted to do AI 900 certification, right?
Yes, Azure AI 900 certification. Yeah,
Okay.
fundamentals actually. Yeah.
Yeah, AI Azure fundamentals is related to the AZ 900.
Yeah.
So AI, yeah, so AI fundamentals is related to the like AI 900 only it will come. Okay. Yeah. So as part of the sessions, so this like I had just planned to go as a quick overview. The
Okay.
sessions will be I'll be taking up the sessions related to the AI. So based on the content that we are having as part of the portal, like where exactly you can find it under the AI 900 or
Yes.
Microsoft platform. So here, whatever the content that we are having, so those contents we'll just try to get a quick overview about the inside modules which are present. So with that, we can try to go with that. And so regular sessions when we'll be doing, so we'll be taking so the module wise we'll be taking. So based on the module wise which we are going to cover, so you will be getting the assessments to solve the questions related to the AI 900. Like usually I'll be creating in the form like this. So each topic once we cover, so you will be getting minimum 30 plus questions which are based on the certification, so which we are supposed to solve. And also I'll be giving some reference sites where you can take up whatever based on the modules that we are going to cover. So in that way you will get more confidence to go through and clearing the certification point of view. And also as
Okay.
per my knowledge, like when we go and try to take up any certification, it's like if you just concentrate about the certification and try to go through the content without the practical knowledge, it is like it is very tough to correlate and make it clear. So that is the reason, like when we'll try with certain, when it comes to the NLP, and also when we'll start with generative AI and also computer vision. So we'll just try to take up small hands on the Azure portal so that it will be easy to correlate the things and understand the concepts.
Yes, Mamta. Actually, I need this training also. Actually,
Yeah.
specific to modules that you're telling.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I am going sitting and failing. That is,
Yes.
yeah, that is not worth actually.
Yes. So in that way we had planned. And also one more thing, like, yeah, so this is how you will be getting some quiz and some links which you can try to take up the assessments. And module wise, whatever the module that we are going to cover, as part of this, along with this I'll be giving some study materials to means where exactly as kind of a quick note where you can correlate and understand the concepts as such. So this is how we had planned. And what is it preferable time for you, Nazim?
Yeah, mostly evening, Mamta. Actually, six
Mm,
o'clock is fine for me. After
mm.
6, actually.
Okay. Okay, so after 6 you will be, means can we plan it between 6 to 7?
Yeah, that's fine for me.
Okay,
6 to
fine.
7 is fine. Yeah, that's
So
fine for me.
morning it is not possible for you, right?
Morning not possible. Actually, my work starts at 8 o'clock.
Sure, fine. Okay, so actually, I'm very sorry. Today, I just wanted to connect with you quickly, so that is the reason. So, can we start from tomorrow?
That's fine for me, Mamta, but
Mm.
I need full your help, assistance in
Mm,
clearing the certificate. That has to be
definitely.
done actually.
Yeah. So what I can do is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, so I can just take the regular classes, and Friday I'll be having off. So you can just try to um means we
Extend.
can, yeah, we I just wanted to extend on Friday. So what exactly for these concepts to cover, so hardly I may require 6 to 7 sessions. Okay. So
Okay.
after 6 to 7 sessions we have done, so we can just try to take as much as this
Test.
test questions which we'll be getting. So in that way, I can give you some reference link as well, and also we can try to take that links and we'll try to cover it up.
Okay. So the thing is like, Mamta, yeah, I'm fine with the timing which you mentioned. Even on Friday, I'm ready to stretch. The
Mm-hmm.
only concern here is the days actually that we
Mm.
have to complete in 7 to 10 days max.
Okay.
That's the reason. Yeah. Mm. So definitely why? Because some clients will be there with the
I
company. That's the reason
understand.
they are forcing me
No
actually.
problem. We can do that.
Yeah.
And we can connect over the weekends as well. So in that way, you can target it to complete early. And how exactly you will be applying for the certification, Nazim?
Actually, my company might give a coupon for that one. They
Usually, what happens in our organization, like that, you can just check from there and once. So initially, we should request for the specific code which we'll be getting from the Microsoft. Okay. So once you get that code, you means to if you raise a request, it will take 2 to 3 days to get that request.
okay.
So after that only you can try to book your slots.
Yeah, I mean, even in my office, there is a site.
Hmm.
Basically, they
Hmm.
are requesting from that site that coupon.
Hmm.
So
So you
I
can just
definitely.
write.
Mm.
So you just what I can suggest you is like you attend the session today and tomorrow. So you whatever, like whether you are we are covering 10% or 20%, whatever we are going to cover. So once you get a confident on that, right? So later you can try to, by the time if you raise the request, so you'll get the access code. So within that slot, you can try to apply for that parallelly.
Yeah, sure. Even I like I will request also if it is not possible at office end.
Mm.
Probably I will request to Ganesh to help me on that part as well. Actually,
Which one?
regarding getting the coupon from Microsoft site,
You no need to wait for that. Like directly, you can go to the site and you can.
Microsoft site. Yeah, okay,
Yeah, so if you go here, right, is a 900 certification. For that, you no need to request any coupon when you wanted to do it as an individual. So directly, you can go with the schedule with Pearson VUE, you will get it, right? So from here,
okay,
you will get a link where you should register with. You can take it with your email ID.
okay.
So you need to fill your all details. After filling your details, what exactly you should do is like you will get some. You need to pay your money, like around 4,000. It will come, including GST.
Yeah,
So yeah, so this is the site. Here, if you provide your basic details like your address, then if you have any coupons from even if you go with the organization also, this is the same procedure. Like
okay.
if you get the coupon, what is the advantage is you can try to apply your coupon.
Yeah,
So it will reduce the money that you are going to get it, and then you need to schedule it. And also for scheduling also, it will not allow you to schedule immediately. At least minimum you should have 1 or 2 days buffer. So that
buffer.
is the
Okay.
reason I am telling you. So if you can talk tomorrow with your office, what is the procedure, whether you are getting any voucher or not. And also once you get an email, you go through properly email, because in our organization, so here if we apply our discount, right, we'll get only 50%. But
Yeah,
we can just skip here and we can go to the schedule exam. Here we can schedule my date. Okay,
yeah,
basically if I wanted to schedule it today, it is not definitely it is not possible. So I should schedule it 1 or 2 days before only. So if I schedule it, after that it will ask me for the payment. So there, if I provide the coupon, it will give me 100% discount.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
in that way you can try to do that. So if you can check with this content, right? So maybe tomorrow we can start with the uh, course. So just uh, go through 2 sessions. Later I'll give you the assessments as well. Try to take it up
Okay.
and see. And from here also I'll ping you this site. Whatever the learn.microsoft.com is there, right? So they will also provide a lot of free assessments. Okay,
Yeah.
practice assessment. If you
Uh,
click here, you will
okay.
get you will get 50 questions in each. But only the difference between the actual exam and the this exam is, here only it is like you have to select either multiple questions for one answer or individual. But in the actual exam, and 90% similar questions you will be getting, but not the same questions. But in the real time, you will be having true or false. You're supposed to select. You're supposed to
Okay.
select drag and drop, match the following. So in that way, the pattern is. So if
Okay.
you can stick on to that pattern, means if you are confident about the subject, those are not the differences for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also one thing is, if you apply for the certification, uh, now if you couldn't able to clear it, after 14 days only you should able to take it. So that is the
Yes.
reason you can initiate the process, so you can take it up by next week. So if it is not going to work out for you, so then you can reapply for that.
Okay.
99% you clear it. But what happens is, even what are the issues that you will be facing is, sometimes if you get a small issue, like if your network is not clear or some issues is there, you have to again reapply for that.
But we can go to the centers and then we can write rather writing from home.
Yeah, you can do that as well. But this is also most preferred only, because when you are scheduling it, right, so they'll give you to do the system test earlier only. So if you do system test and be ready for the exam, and if you have a good internet connection, 1 day prior only you can sit and write it. But
Okay.
when you're
Mhm.
doing, if you get any assistance from peers and team, they will help you with that, and even they'll create a ticket for you as well. So immediately next day or other next day you can reschedule it if
Okay.
you have any difficulty, so that it will be
Difficult.
good for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sure.
Okay, we'll just start from tomorrow. So after that, you by the time parallel, you can just inquire with your organization. So once you are like confident, once you get request code, you will be having 1 month validity. Okay. So
Okay.
whenever you are confident, you can apply and schedule that immediately the next day.
Sure. Sure, Mamta. I will check at my side. So
Okay. So then
tomorrow.
from my end, I'll just try to make a link, and I'll just make a folder where exactly I'll try to add the required study material and the link which you can refer to solve the question. So in that way, I'll try to make a copy which you can try to access it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And I will be getting Azure portal also for practicing.
Yeah, yeah. So you
I
will get,
mean, for
see,
exam, not for exams,
this is for
but
exam pre-assessment. You can take it up prior only. So once you are good with that, usually what I refer is like, if you can take it taking it up, right? If you're 100%, if you are getting here, like if you are getting here 90 plus, then definitely you are able to easily clear on the actual exam. Actual exam it is 700,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Sure, Mamta.
Yeah.
Uh,
Sure. So this link I'll be
so,
sharing with you, so that you can just go through that. This is for scheduling. This is the content that you can refer. This is the actual one, rather than referring any sites.
okay. And just to check the calendar.
So I just pinged in the
So
chat box.
from tomorrow onwards, we'll have continue classes, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Might be if I'll be
Uh,
going,
yeah.
if I'll be
Tomorrow we'll
going,
connect. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
tomorrow we'll connect. Thursday, if I'll be visiting my office, so maybe then instead of 6, I can connect by 7 o'clock. Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
That's fine. Yeah.
Connect.
Yeah.
You can go through that link. So I just shared you with the chat box. You can
Yeah.
save and you
I,
can
yeah.
have it
I
for
have
your
gone through
reference.
this link actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. I will check this. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Ganesh is there?
Yeah. Any questions, Nazim?
No, Ganesh, actually, I don't have, and just want to know the fee structure and those things. So, is
We
it
can,
we can discuss after that?
Sure. Yeah.
if you have
And
any technical questions, you can ask Mamatha. Else we can wind up the call and we can discuss personally.
Sure, I don't have anything with to discuss with Mamta. Probably, yeah,
yeah, thank you. We can start
thank
the session from tomorrow.
tomorrow.
And
Okay,
Tomorrow,
also, and also, if you don't, if I'll be fast or if you want to know anything, you can just let me know, Nazim, during the session. Okay.
sure,
Yeah. Thank you.
sure, definitely. Yeah, thanks, thank you.